Unity is strength. Once there was an old farmer. He had 5 sons. They were very selfish. They always quarreled with one another. He was worried about them. When he was on his deathbed, he wanted to teach them a lesson. He advised them to live in unity, but they did not care about his words. He asked his servant to bring a bundle of sticks. Then he called his sons one by one and asked them to break the bundle, but no one could do that. Then he ordered the servant to unite the bundle. Now each one of them could break the sticks easily. He advised his son to live like a bundle of sticks. If they quarreled, the people would harm them. The sons promised to live united. Moral of the story is unity is strength, means staying united in all situations. It has a great value in all walks of life. When we are united, then we can win any challenges and achieve any goals. The development of our society and country depends on these spirits.